So yeah, that's a really useful tool. Let's save the menu. Now let's go to the theme options. Every theme has its own options. This one has the one that we installed from the store has its theme options. So we could choose a heading for the slider. This is the slider. We could choose a slider image. It already gives you the size designated, which is 920 pixels by 350. A slider link. And again, this is just for this theme. Every theme has its own theme options, but it's pretty similar. Homepage boxes, whatever, these aren't important, especially if you're starting up. Your logo settings. Your logo is what comes here. You can either keep it as a default where it chooses your it chooses your site title, or you could upload your own logo. And one cool choice is the favicon, which is the icon that you see over here, this globe. You could change that into any icon you want. To make a fave icon, it needs to be 16 by 16 pixels, very small, and you need to make it into a .ico file, which is simple. There's a lot of generators online. Over here is the blog settings. You could exclude categories from the front page blog. You have your footer settings, where you could put a copyright tutorial, whatever you want. You could put your Google Analytics code, your Facebook URL, and your Twitter URL. Over here, you could customize your CSS. A lot of themes have this. And over here, you have other settings, whatever, it doesn't matter. When you click background, you could choose the background image that would appear on the sides over here. You need to watch out for that because they don't really specify how big it has to be. And sometimes it looks weird on different monitors. And then editor. The editor is a really useful tool if you understand the CSS code and PHP code, because you could customize your theme to whatever you need. Over here is the CSS, that's the default. It always shows you the style first. Over here you could go to the main index template, which is the index.php. Edit whatever you need there. Edit the footer if you want. You could take out the copyright. You could so this controls the copyright code on the bottom over here. So what we could do is we could just completely delete this code. Let's save it. Let's press enter. And see, it's gone. That code from the bottom, so you could remove their copyright. Anyways, let's go back to the theme editor. Now plugins. This is one of the greatest tools I have ever seen in my life. Plugins is it's like an app store for WordPress. What you have at the beginning is a pair of plugins that most people use Akismet, but Hello Dolly I don't see huge use for. But Akismet is a very useful tool. Once you activate, you could sign up for the API from their website, and that stops all spam. I've had websites where it stopped 300, 400,000 spam comments from occurring and saved my time. Over here, when you press add new, you could search through the WordPress plugins. So let's just search Facebook, for example. Over here, there's a Facebook plugin, which could add either, you could just add your Facebook post or whatever it is. Simple Facebook Connect. Or you could upload your own plugins that you purchase online or you created yourself if you're good in that sort of stuff. Over here, you can see featured, popular. Those aren't important. Those are pretty self-explanatory. If you go to the popular page, you see the most popular plugins. WordPress SEO BIOS. SEO is search engine optimization. It goes step by step to show you how to optimize your website to be more visible online. Let's go to the editor. Over here, you can edit your plugins one by one. So since we have Akismet and Hello Dolly pre-installed already, you could choose which one you want. You select it, and you could choose their PHP and go in and change whatever you need. Over here, you could control users. Let's say you want to add more writers on your website. You press add new, and you create their credentials, their account credentials, their name, their website, whatever. And from your profile, you can edit your profile, your color scheme, your name, your info, whatever it may be. From tools, it's just tools such as importing and exporting posts from a different WordPress site. You can add more tools. And the settings is also a very important tool. From here, you could change your site title, your tagline, your WordPress site's URL, your email address. You could choose if you want people to register and make your website like a social network type thing. And you could choose the role of a new default user, everything like that. You could press writing. Writing is you'll just find your email information. Reading. You could change your front page for your website. You can make it a static page, so your home page will be sample page. So let's put sample page. Save. This is our home page now. If we press blog, if we press, oh, I don't know why it didn't work out. I guess this theme kind of overrides that. Here, let's go back to the old theme. Let's activate this. Let's press blog. See, our home page is sample page. We could go back to our latest post. Let's press blog. And then we could see how many blog posts you want to show on that home page or your blog pages. Then you could check your discussion. This is comment settings if you would like to approve every comment before showing up on the website live. Over here is your media settings, how big you want your thumbnail sizes, your medium size, your large size, and permalinks. Permalinks is good because you could control how your URLs look. So you could control, now it's just numbered, it just generates random numbers. Or you can make it as the name of the website, the name of the post and the month, the day, however you want it. And that's just pretty much the simplest tutorial to WordPress. Comment below if you guys want more in-depth in any parts of WordPress, and I'll try to make it happen. Thanks for watching.